Good morning friends. Today it's 12th of September 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for short term as well as for intraday is as follows. Yesterday Nifty 50 spot consolidated within a range of 100 points between 24,940 and 25,040 before ending the session marginally in green up above 25,000 mark. It was marginally up by 0.14%. This up move was supported by heavyweight counters like Bharti, Reliance, Axis Bank, ITC, TCS which ended in red. This week we started with the view that the index Nifty 50 holding over and above 24,700 can be traded with a positive bias for the potential target come resistance of 25,050 and next major midterm target come resistance between 25,350 and 25,550 levels. Yesterday Nifty 50 spot high was 25,037. It was near its first hurdle come resistance come target of 25,050. Today on the back of positive global cues, our market are also expected to open with a positive note. Since today it's being the weekly closing session, it is expected to close the week above its first immediate hurdle of 25,040, which can be looked as a positive bias, and it can open the doors for next higher resistance of 25,350-550 zone in next few sessions. So last 9 weeks high is also at around 25 to 50 odd levels. Yesterday it was mentioned that Nifty 50 16 September weekly OI data has improved and is indicating up move. As per the last session, once again Nifty 16 September weekly figures, that is the data, has improved further and the supports have strengthened at a lower strike prices at around 24,900, 24,500 and even the maximum OI buildup is now at around 25,000 put, which indicates buy on dip and holding over and above 25,000 mark. The bias will remain for a higher targets come resistances in days to come. If we talk about Bank Nifty spot, it outperformed finally Nifty 50 yesterday and it ended the session up almost 1% at 54,645 levels. As per intraday price study, the bias remains range to up over and above immediate support of 54,000 mark with hurdle come targets at around 55,000 and extended 55,500 levels. For Bank Nifty spot 55,500 and next 56,500, there remain a very important levels to watch because these once these levels are held, they can attract fresh short covering and buying interest which can take the index towards new highs. If we talk about the day today, Nifty 50 spot first intraday target come resistance at a higher levels will be close to around 25,140 and next extended 25,185 levels, which can act as an intraday contract selling level also with a strict stop loss. Nifty 50 intraday support will be at around 24,960, above which one can look for buying on dips, keeping a stop below 50 odd points. So keeping a stop below 24,900 odd levels, one can expect Nifty 50 to test the highs of 25,140 and extended 25,185 levels in today's session. In respect with Bank Nifty, which ended last session at 54,645, this index will find intraday buy on dip outlook support at around 54,500 levels. This 54,500 can act as a tug of war, holding above which the resistance come target for Bank Nifty can be towards 54,950 and extended 55,100 levels. Weekly closing of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty above 25,040 and 55,000 levels respectively will be looked as a good closing and it can attract fresh buying interest on dips next week. Sectors to keep on radar for up move can be Nifty Metal Index, Pharma Index, Nifty IT, FMCG and banks. Counter specific trading and investment ideas will be shared during market hours. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.